In the past few days, you've heard a lot from us about the budget and mid-budget smartphones in India. Today, I'll take this train forward and introduce you to another such smartphone, the Xiaomi Redmi. About the design first. The Xiaomi Redmi 8 Pro comes with a 6.53-inch dot-notch HDR display. It has a water drop notch in the front that houses the front camera. It has volume rockers and the power button on the right side, and on the left side you can see two slots. While the top slot is for the SIM card tray, the bottom slot can hold a second SIM card and a micro SD card. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom, which sits right next to the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. On the top, there's an earpiece which is placed right on top of the selfie camera. It's cleverly hidden in the phone's top thin bezels. The Redmi 8 Pro comes with dual Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Simply said, it has a beautiful glass back that just looks awesome. Now let's talk about the phone's specs. The Redmi 8 Pro is powered by Helio G90T chipset. It is available in three variants: a 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. You can also expand the storage space further by using a micro SD card of up to 512GB storage space. As far as the battery is concerned, the Redmi 8 Pro comes with a giant 4500 mAh battery. It features support for 18-watt fast charging. With this battery, you can easily focus on your work without having to worry about charging your phone in between. The Redmi 8 Pro comes with a really interesting feature. Most Android smartphones are powered by Google Assistant, but the Redmi 8 Pro is powered by Amazon Alexa. But that doesn't mean that you cannot use Google Assistant on this phone. All it means is that with the Redmi 8 Pro, you have two virtual assistants at your disposal. Coming to the colors, the Redmi 8 Pro is available in 4 color variants: Halo White, Gamma Green, Shadow Black, and Dark Blue. Well, that's it for now, guys. I hope this video helps you get a new smartphone. Ping us if you have any questions. We'll be back with another fun video soon.